getting ready to watch 3 days of public sessions held by the Board of Pardons for people that have filed pardon applications in Pennsylvania. Um, they are reviewing 147 cases in the next 3 days, which is an increase from what they've been able to do in the past. So that's good news. That's exciting. Also, we've been looking at some of the timing as cases go through, and it really is starting to take basically 3.5, maybe even 4 years for pardons to go through. We used to tell people that they would take a year or two, then maybe 2 to 3, and now I really think it's taking 3 to 4 years. The number one question I get is, why does it take so long? And the answer is because there's thousands of applications that are pending, and these 5 board members and their staff have to organize, research, review them, and then vote on them. The vote that's coming up for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is the public session. That means the 5 board members are going to personally interview every applicant, every one of 147 applicants, in order to find out why the crime occurred, what they've done with their life since then, and why they deserve to be recommended to the governor. And so this is the light at the end of the tunnel. These are for people that have filed their pardons years ago, 2.5, 3.5 years ago, and they finally have their session to do a presentation. Our clients are prepped for these presentations so that they sort of have a run through and they know what to expect to a certain extent. But frankly, from watching the board, you never know exactly what they're going to do. This is the first session where Attorney General Dave Sunday, who was elected in January, is going to be seated on the Board of Pardons. We know that the others that are always there is Lieutenant Governor Austin Davis, Harris Gubernick with the Department of Corrections, Dr. John Williams, the psychiatrist on the board, and Marcia Grayson, who is the victim witness advocate. Those guys are all, they've been there for years. We know sort of what to expect from them, but Dave Sunday's the new Attorney General, and we'll see what he comes up with Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week. So I would like to say good luck to everybody who's presenting. Even if you're not our client, you're answering a question, just keep it short and sweet. Just tell them what they want to know. Don't get nervous. Don't go rambling. Don't have an attitude. Don't ever say, I deserve this. Just keep calm and cool, listen to their questions, answer their questions. And if you're not sure if you've answered it or not, just stop and say, does that answer your question? All right? Have a good week.